Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a stopwatch in JavaScript. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will create our HTML file. Now let's add our title. Now we will add our hour, minute and seconds in our div with class wrapper inside span elements, and also we will include colons as well and milliseconds as well. Let's include our CSS file. So let's check now how our stopwatch is looking. So it is just giving a basic look. Now let's start styling our stopwatch. First of all we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box, and let's set our font family as well. Now we will style our body tag. Now let's check how it is looking. So our background is looking good. So now let's add our span elements in another div called time. Now we will style our wrapper element and time element as well. Now let's style our span tags. Now let's check how it is looking. So let's align our items as well. Now let's add border radius and box shadow to our time div. Now let's check how it is looking. So our text is aligned. Now let's change our font size and font weight as well. Now let's change width of our column. So now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking really good. Now let's add some color to our last column and milliseconds as well. So now let's check. So our color is looking good with our background. So now let's include our buttons as well for start, stop and reset. So now let's check how our buttons are looking. So let's add some CSS to make them beautiful. So now let's check our buttons. So they are aligned correctly and their color is looking good as well. So now let's add some JavaScript code to write our function for starting our stopwatch and setting its interval as well. Now let's write a function to add our values for hours, minute and seconds to our span elements. So now let's check if it is working or not. So on clicking start, it is working. Now let's add this to our millisecond. So now let's check. So it is working correctly. So now let's change our interval as well to 10, and let's change our value of seconds as well when we cross 100 milliseconds. So let's check now. So it is working correctly, but our seconds are not added correctly. So let's add our seconds in our add value function. Now let's check. So our seconds are also adding right now. So let's change our value because it is getting singular whenever our time stopwatch is started. So let's make it double figures. So now let's check. So now it is looking good, but still when it is at 0, it is still showing a singular. So let's add our hours and minutes as well, and let's change the singular 0 to 00 as well. So now let's check how it is looking. So it is working correctly. So let's add some value for minute and hours as well. So now let's check. So it is working correctly. So now let's add stop and reset function as well. So let's check now. So when we stop, it is working correctly, but on reset it is not resetting our value. So we need to set our minute and seconds as well to 0 in our reset function. So let's check now. It is not working correctly because on clicking reset it should reset. So let's add value function and check again. So guys, this is it. This is the fully functioning stopwatch we created in JavaScript. So remember me in your prayers, stay blessed and keep supporting me, because your support is all I need. And do let me know in comment section which kind of videos you need in future. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.